What's up everybody and welcome to another video. This is JR aka the Sinister Camaro and we've got some good footage for you today. So I just got off work, very stressful, but we've got a lot of fun planned for tonight. I've been playing this for about 2 weeks now and I hope you guys enjoy it. We're actually going to be adding some more stuff to the truck and to the car. So the wife has the Camaro, she drove it to work today so she can go straight up there to drop it off. I'm in the truck today and I'm gonna be heading up there to get everything started so we're not up there all night. I'm gonna visit another shop that did some awesome work for my car and my truck. Well, actually, I think right now just the car. We haven't done anything with them for the truck yet, any like fantastic wraps or anything like that like on the car. But if you've noticed, the wheels, the brakes, anything that was chrome, we painted black. The wrap itself, all that stuff came from this place we're going to. They have some amazing rides up there. They work on all the time. Famous people go up there all the time, ship their cars out there to them. So I'm gonna bring you guys along and I'm hoping they're gonna let me in the back to be able to give you guys a first-hand look at the kind of jobs that they work, the kind of cars they do. Lamborghinis, Porsche, Ferrari, Rolls-Royce, all these kind of things. All the time just roll in and out of this shop. So without further ado, let's get started. And let me also say that the topic of today's video is marketing. You'll see why in just a minute. But before we get going, just wanted to give a shout out to a friend of mine, well actually two friends of mine that have basically been with me ever since I started building cars. They've actually opened up their own apparel place and they're doing some business for themselves. I love it, I love the motivation. Keep rocking it. I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you can go check out their stuff. Make sure to go buy some stuff too. I just want to see a bunch of people wearing this product because putting Henderson on the map, helping friends that have helped me along the way, I'm always there to give back to you guys. So today I'm rocking the Built Reckless shirt. You'll get to see that later from behind, just when my wife gets here, because I'm obviously can't show you the back of it right now with it on. But trust me, they have some awesome products. Check them out for me. Buy some stuff if you want. Support our local friends that are just trying to grind and survive like we are. And without further ado, let's get this video going. See you in just a minute. of you that think my wife does not drive the Camaro, I just want to prove a point to you. As you can see behind me, there it goes. So what's up everybody? thank you for coming out to Dreamworks to meet me, man. I'm gonna leave his socials down below. If you want, do you want to talk about your truck club that just started? Get a little social media on there out there.
I just started up a truck club called Diamond Concepts. We're located in North Carolina, out of Roxboro. Anybody's welcome to join. We do cars, trucks, SUVs, anything. Just follow us on there, or you can follow that 92 Ho, DM me through there.
All right, so you heard it here first, guys. If you need a club to join, make sure to go join these guys. Check out his builds. It just started, but he came to the right place to get hooked up. Just make sure you go check him out. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the footage. So we got the truck back. We got a couple more things that needs to be done to it before we take it back. Check out that 69 Camaro, very sick. But we're leaving the Camaro up here. Gonna get some work done to that too, just so you guys get a little teaser about what we're doing. Check it out. So just like I said before, the name of this video is marketing. Why? Because you gotta market yourself. If you're really invested in it, if you really want to get big on YouTube or social media or anything like that, you gotta put yourself out there so people can find you. So from my beautiful wife and myself, we hope you have a wonderful day. Stay sinister.
Perfect.